These are lino cutting tools made by Speedball, and these are some of the most common tools used for carving a lino cut. You can open up the backside in order to store your tools. These are called nibs. In order to replace nibs, unscrew the top, and notice that in the inside there is almost like 2 half moons and a ball. You want to get the U-shaped side of your nib. So there's usually a sharp end, and then this is usually dull and just curved. This is the side you want to place inside this half moon. But be careful putting this in. Don't try to jab anything in this way. Sometimes you have to jiggle it for it to go in. And then you want to make sure that this is secured so it won't fall out while you're carving. So then twist clockwise until snug, and sometimes I will give it a nice tug on one end just to make sure that is secure. When I am done using it for the day, if I'm going to be storing this in a purse or a book bag if I'm moving somewhere, you don't want to leave it with the tools out so you don't chip the tools or damage anything in your bags or even your own hand. So this is where this comes in. So you can go ahead and store your tools in there and protect yourself and others.